sex linked inheritance. In zoology second year we are going to discuss sex linked inheritance. As you know, sex chromosome two types. X and Y. X chromosome long and Y chromosome is short. If it is the X chromosome, then it will be the Y chromosome. It is X, it is Y. X chromosome, this part of X chromosome is not having homologous part in Y, and the genes found in this area are called X linked. But this portion is found in Y but not in X. It is Y linked. The genes here are Y linked genes. And here in Y up to here, X up to here, there is a homologous part. These are called pseudo autosomal okay genes. When these X-linked genes which are present may have some somatic characters, and those characters are called X-linked characters. Characters of X-linked genes are X-linked sex-linked characters. And the inheritance of sex-linked characters is called sex-linked inheritance. In humans, sex-linked, X-linked characters are one is a hemophilia and the second is a color blindness. Let us discuss hemophilia. It is also called breeder's disease. It is also called royal disease because this disease is discovered in the royal family of England. In this disease, what happens? In case of injury, means आघात स्थले क्षत स्थले यदि क्षत हुए, then blood clotting is delayed. Blood clotting is delayed means रक्त जमाट बहुत डेरी हुए. So bleeding means रक्तस्राव continuous. To discuss hemophilia, let us discuss that gene for hemophilia is H. It is a normal gene for hemophilia, and small h is mutated gene, and it is responsible for hemophilia. In case of female, there are two X, and if both are having normal H, the female is a normal female. If one of the X is having small h, then the female is a carrier female. And if both the X are having small h, then the female is hemophilic female. In case of male, X and Y they are having. If X is having H and Y has no homologous part, it is a normal male. If X is having small h, then the male is a hemophilic male. Okay? So, if such a karyotype is found in the female, it is a normal one. If such is found, carrier female. If such is found, hemophilic female. In male, if such is found, XH and Y, normal male. If such is found, having small h, hemophilic male. So, in let us start case study. First case is case 1 is first case is marriage between normal female and a hemophilic male. So in the first case we shall marry one normal female and a hemophilic male. So normal female into hemophilic male. Okay. So here XH it is XHY. It will produce two type of sperm, XHY. It will produce one type of egg, XH. So when this egg fuse with this sperm form XH, and this egg fuse with this sperm produce XHY. Here you can see, as we have discussed, there it is a carrier daughter and it is a normal son. Its percentage is 50%. Its percentage is also 50%. 50% carrier daughter, normal son 50%. So when a normal female marry with the hemophilic male, organisms produced are